If you want to receive activity reports for your child's Epic Games account, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn it on in just a few steps. This is helpful if you want better visibility into account changes and want important updates sent straight to your email. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open Epic Games in your browser and sign in to the account that manages the parental controls. Once you're inside, look for the profile menu in the top corner of the page and click it. From the menu, choose Account. This will take you to your Epic account settings where you can manage different account features and security options. On the account page, find and click Parental Controls. Epic will ask you to enter your parental control code, so type that in carefully. This code is required to access child account settings, so make sure you enter the correct one. After that, continue to the Email Preference section. Here, you'll see an option that says, I would like to receive activity reports on my child's account changes. Turn that toggle on. Once it's enabled, Epic Games will send activity reports so you can stay informed about updates and changes related to your child's account. Take a moment to double check that the setting is switched on, then you can close the page. And that's it. You've successfully enabled activity reports for your child's Epic Games account. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.